Hello. So for our dessert for Christmas, I made peppermint crisp tart, and you have to do this overnight in order for it to actually set properly. You could do it like 4 or 5 hours before eating time, but I always prefer to do it the night before so that I just get it out of the way. And these are the ingredients as you can see them. Okay, so we all know that I'm lactose intolerant. If you don't, yes, I am. So that's why I used a dairy-free whipped cream, not whipped cream because I'm whipping it, but cream. And then I've already added the caramel. So as you can see, it looks kind of shady, but trust me, it tastes really nice. And I always prefer to actually mix it instead of layering the caramel over the cream. And I already had whipped the caramel as well, so that's why it looks like this as well. It seems a bit soft. As you all know, canned caramel is quite thick. So yeah, I've done that in the mixing. Guys, I cannot recommend getting an electric whisk enough. Like, this is the best thing that I've ever got, and it's so easy to use, and yeah, I love it. Okay, you need to start with the layering of your biscuits and pour lemon juice on top of them so that they get that tingly taste. And then your chocolates must be grated or crushed, whichever way that works perfectly with you in order for you to layer it. And then after the first layer of biscuits, you must layer the caramel. I didn't show that part, and then the chocolates. Then the next layer would be the biscuits, as you can see here. And then once you've layered the biscuits properly, you must also pour more lemon juice. It depends on how what's this word? Sour. That, how much of it do you like? And yeah, that's how I like it. And on the final product, you must crush some of your biscuits. I think I crushed about 3, and then added a bit of the leftover chocolates. Usually add more. I forgot to buy more chocolates, so this is how the thingy looks before it goes into the fridge. I usually put it in the freezer for most of the part, and then change it to ngezansi, like in the refrigerator, so that it's not as hard to cut when you are now eating and serving. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I was happy with it, and people did enjoy. Guys, this is the best tool for the peppermint crisp tart. Like, usually whipping takes most of my time, but this time didn't even take 5 minutes. And yeah, I had to bring this back home with me because wow, I needed to use this, because perfect, and very portable. So that's why I love this whip thing. Guys, what do you put in your beetroots? I usually put apples and fruit chutney. Gives it a very sweet but nice taste. And yeah, I was just showing my sister what to do, and yeah, she took over because it's her forte. She always says, "Look, Caesar," and this is how she helps. So yeah, that's just the beetroots. That's it. That's what I did the previous night as well. And then mom chopped the butternut and her cabbage because she was determined to have the cabbage salad, which I was not interested in. Okay, so I made gammon, reverse cooked it. So you first boil it and then you roast it. And then I made oxtail, I made rice. For salads, I made coleslaw. I just added mayonnaise to the coleslaw because I didn't want to make it. I made butternut, I made beetroot, I made chakalaka, but the chakalaka is it's not cooked, so it's basically bean salad that's not cooked. And then people ate, like, look at their plates. I was laughing at them. And yeah, that's my fam here, like the 5 of us here. Well, I'm not there, but it was cute. And this is our dessert. We paired it up with the ice cream that you can see, peach. They had ultramel. I didn't have it because lactose, man, lactose. But yeah, all in all, the dinner lunch was actually very nice. And my favorite part was the dessert, because it's my favorite thing. Yeah, I know. Guys, I'm going to sleep now. Like, I think it's just after 5. I just realized Duguti Washlami in this room is actually not working. I haven't been here in a while to notice. It's cold, it's raining, but besides raining, it's super cold. Like, it's so cold. So I'm going to go to sleep, and I think I'll just wake up tomorrow saying hamba, because I don't think I'm going to leave tonight. But yeah, just wanted to say that I cooked. I made dessert. I made dessert yesterday. You saw the clips. I didn't get to show you how I was cooking, but I made oxtail. I made rice, gammon. I think I will insert a clip. But yeah, that was Christmas. I cooked for everyone and they enjoyed. Like, the only thing I didn't do was chop butternut and cabbage. It's not my era. I don't do that. Oh, and beetroot, that's up his excuse me, that's up his job. And so see, she did that. So yeah, now I'm just playing music. It's raining. I feel like eating something else, but now I don't know what. You know, when you just feel like eating. But maybe I should sleep and wake up and think about what I'll eat. Alright, bye guys. See you. Hope you had a great Christmas, and yeah, thanks for watching.